Hi guys, it's playtime. Today we have the Peppa Pig treehouse construction set. It's for kids 2 to 5 years old and it has 31 pieces. It's by Jazwares. Let's take a look at the back. In here you can see the different small play set. We got the garden house construction set, ice cream shop, we already did this, and the train station construction set. Let's open it up. At the box you can see the assembled instructions. That's cool. Here's all blocks. Peppa Pig figures with George. And the stickers! Yay! And we have a slide. We got George. That's the back because you can see her tail. Do you know what shape is this? Excellent! It's rectangle and the color is green. And how about this? Very good! It's square. Let's open this bag. This is the fence. And we're gonna put this square block on top, like this. And here we have 4 yellow blocks. What shape is this? Very good, it's triangle. Let's count our triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triangles makes the roof. Now is the time to connect the slide. And we can put the tree here. And it's no fun for Peppa and George without Muddy Puddle. And another Muddy Puddle here. Time to customize the tree house with stickers. Here's for the tree. Let's plant some flowers. also decorate the dirt with ant, frog, another frog, and a snail. I need to check my garden. Muddy puddle! Yay! I love jumping in the muddy puddle. George, let's go to the slide. You go up first, George. Thank you, Peppa. Children, be careful, okay? We will, Mommy Pig. I'm coming down, Peppa. Whee! Whee! Okay, my turn. Whee! Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe.
Have a good one. Oops, I did.